how to add subdomain in Godaddy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have your own subdomain. So first things first, navigate to your domain that you have and open the DNS settings or the DNS option over here. By doing this, we will be able to be redirected to the DNS management. Now, in this page, you will be able to see you have DNS record and you have this typical list over here. So to be able to add your own subdomain, you're actually going to add a new record over here. You're going to select the type. So you're going to select A, and then over here, the name of your subdomain. So you could put in whatever name that you want. So you can say pages. And for the value, you're going to enter your IP address. So that's what you're going to put into this. And after this, you're simply going to click on save, and you will be able to add that specific record or that specific subdomain into your own domain in GoDaddy. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.